Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I went to Hobby Lobby to grab a few things. So I started with, I need a chain for a necklace I was doing. I need to finish making so I can sell it. It says it's hematite, but I'm not sure. So I have a charm testing kit that I've been working on for a while. And when I went to Hobby Lobby, I thought they had like a sale going on charms, but apparently not. But that's fine with me, so I'll just show what I got. It has mountains with some clouds, and then I don't know what this is. I haven't figured out what this is gonna mean in my charm casting yet, but this is what the bottom one looks like. This one is a horse in a carriage, which is gonna mean travel at a slow pace. $1.99. Focus. This is gonna mean the world. $2.49. So if I get this in my charm kit or pull it out, it's gonna mean world travel or international. It says when it's dark, look for stars. Oops. It's not wanting to focus. That one was $3.99. And then I saw this one. It's clover. This one I had seen on Instagram. Someone showed. Oop. It says Be Epic. $2.99. This is $3.99. It's either an alpaca or a llama. And it just says be yourself. I wanted something with the cardinal directions on it. So I saw this. I think this is the first thing I picked up. Mainly for this. And this little bubble. And then this is a cabochon. Yeah, it has a woman on it. And then a heart. And then this is a little flower. So I got this for the mirror. And this one says beautiful. I grabbed this one for the tools. So basically the meaning for these will be either for hard work or you need to work through some stuff. I've seen people haul this. It's a lighthouse, but it can also mean a tower. This is an hourglass. It's gonna mean time. Like you don't have enough time, or could be running out of time. And it works. Oops. These are shoes. Part of the fairy tale collection, $4.99. So this is adorable. It opens up. And it closes. So this is gonna represent something hidden that you need to open up. Got this. So I got it for the monkey. It means playfulness, childish, curiosity. Oops. I haven't figured out what the tint will represent. But the nut. Here's another clock. It's going to represent similar meaning to the hourglass. So either time is going too by or too slowly, or you're running out of time. So we've all seen Cinderella, where the carriage turns back into a pumpkin. So this is gonna literally mean you're going too fast to where you're gonna smash into the ground like a pumpkin, the Cinderella reference. I've seen this hauled half full or half empty, meaning how you need to look at stuff. And then I found these animals. So this could end up with some strength, courage, bravery, camouflage, because this is zebra, and the giraffe I haven't figured out yet, or maybe standing tall. I've seen this one shown a lot on Instagram. It's not really wanting to show up. It's supposed to be rain clouds, so it's gonna be like a storm coming your way or something you're trying to avoid, but you can't. Or it could mean stormy days ahead. And then this one, self-explanatory, travel or a trip. That's gonna be long. This is a bunch of fruit. This could mean abundance or fruitful. So I bought this for the map. Could mean something you need to look at or look closely at in details in the ship. And then there's an anchor, a seahorse, wheel, and then I haven't figured out what these three will mean yet, but I have a bunch of these already in my charm casting kit. This is self-explanatory. I do $1.99 is gonna mean something you're committed to, or a relationship. The tea kettle. I haven't fully figured this one out yet, but I will. I saw these online, the butterflies. They're wood. there's lights, so I got it for the light, the happy sign, and the little camper. The unicorn, which is going to mean something unexpected heading your way, or could end up meaning something magical is going to appear out of the blue. This says conquer the day. It's a mountain. So this is going to mean you're going to have probably rough times ahead, but then it's going to look better. The outcome is going to be better than you think because of the sun in the horizon. It says conquer the day. And then I got another mirror. Then I got a crown. So this is gonna mean like royalty or being treated with respect, or haven't fully figured out the rest of it, but that is what it looks like. That is it. So once I get the rest of my charms, my charm kit situated, and my bone throwing kit situated, I'll show it. But until then, I'm still looking for a few extra pieces to go into it. This black thing that is hanging, that is for Anubis. So far, I feel like I need to move it closer up to his picture, and I just have junk all right here that I gotta figure out and situate. But thanks for watching. Bye.